What I have is a 1.5-year-old grandson who had a cold who likes to kiss his pop.
Well, that's how you get pink eye.
That's pathetic. I mean, it's really pathetic.
Hello, everyone. Let me start by apologizing for the slight cold I have.
Éxito.
Obviously, right?
Silly me.
Excuse me, I have a little cold. Excuse me for the cold.
What the hell is that?
Excuse me. Excuse me, I have a bit of a cold. Excuse me for my cold. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold. A little bit of a cold. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold.
But it's just a cold.
I beg your pardon. I swallowed wrong. I swallowed wrong. Excuse me, I got a little frog in my throat.